Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It is Wednesday, March the 15th. It's about 4:45 Central Standard Time. As you can see, last night the market took off right after the open here at 63.50 and has just been on a continuous climb straight up to we're at 23.70.25, looking for yesterday's open to do a 180 on that, and then also move right up into the yesterday's high of 71.50. Okay, that's early. So let's take a look at that as to the upside as we continue this morning. If we get up into this area, probably look for a pullback or some consolidation right in this area, right where it's at right now, after it touches this open from yesterday. All right, 71 area. After that, if we can hold this area and buyers can step in, we're going to punch through and go right up here to the 73 area, come back and retest this high, about 71.50, and then we should go up to the next zone if indeed we're going up today. So we move into the 75, 76 area, look for a pullback and retest of about 74 right here, and then right up into the next zone. Probably a stop in between as we go on up, but look all the way up into the 78, 80 range for our next target after that. So be careful. We do have news about 1 o'clock Central Standard Time with the FOMC. So that's going to cause this market to usually do a couple of things. It's either going to trade like crazy or do nothing and consolidate. It's going to consolidate. Just come back tomorrow, take a break, enjoy the weather wherever you're at, if that's possible, especially if you're out east. But anyway, let's just keep going around here. So after we break the 78, 80 area, it's going to be a key area. Look for the pause here today. Maybe even a reversal back down for a couple of zones. But this 80 is a real key area, so watch it, and we'll talk about that in market profile. So as we go back forth here, look for it to possibly move up to 82 to 84. If the buyers really step in, high momentum steps in, ultimately zones at 80 and then all the way up to the next area. Okay, we know we have prior zones at this 2400, so be cautious of that. Now let's take a look at the downside. Let's say the market opens up, everybody's up, they missed this run, the market pulls back, look for the rebound off of the 67 and it's straight up to the into the buyer's analysis we just did. Now, if we close down below the 24 VWAP, look for us to head back to the open at 63.50, 63 area. Look for the bounce there, reversal right back into this zone, and then right back into the up scenario. Now, if that doesn't go happen, and we fail right here at 66, or possibly even down here somewhere in the zone at 65, look for the move back down to retest it, and then drive through it, back up to retest this, and then once it retests the second time, then look for the move down into this zone for pre-market structure right in here. Consider it that right into this little area. Now it might pull all the way down to the bottom of that zone, come back and retest, and if it does and fails, then look for the move all the way down. First support area is actually yesterday's zone, the bottom of that zone at 57, but we have support and fib support right around this 53, 50, or excuse me, 56, 54 area, yesterday's low. Now, if we get down there and look for again the double bottom and the bounce off of there, however, we fail that zone again, as we talked about yesterday. Look out below and definitely watch out for this 42 level down here. All right, let's take a look at market profile real quick and see what the big picture is. And with market profile, as you can see, this is a 4-hour chart we just stepped into real quick. Still consolidating sideways. You can see the move as we came down in here to 52 yesterday, right in through here, and then went straight, pulled back, and then we're up. Okay, you can see right here, 23.50. We had a lower low on that, a higher low on that pullback right here at 54, and then driving straight up. Okay, at one point we even hit the 75. So we've got to stay in this zone and we're going to break out right through here, break out above 75, look for targets at 81. Okay, 81, 82, we talked about that area in that zone. So look for that real close move. We need to break out of that 75. If we can break out of this 81, look for 99 as a target. Nothing in between here. We can just go straight up. Might take us a day or we just might do it all today. Again, if we fail this 60 area, look out to this 40 area right in here. Big open gap as we talk about. And if it fails that again, start looking for these targets down at 30, 17, 5, all the way down to the 2300 area. But this 42 is going to be a strong area to get through. So look for that if we break down below 60. All right. Let's look at an overall picture for the daily just for grins. And here it is. On a daily chart, you can see we're just basically maintaining. Okay, we're holding this 61 area. Next level, 91, just like we talked about. So be careful. And of course, the daily target's at 47 on a breakout in a couple days. Okay, I don't know if we could do this in one day. We could, but it's unlikely. And probably a couple of days that we could be right back up here on a good mood. If you have any questions, contact Frank at TradeStalkers.com and have a great day.